Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for recruitment agencies. Suppose I am having a recruitment agency for which I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and now I want that whenever a new lead is generated through that Facebook page, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that new lead. So how we are going to do this process automatically and effortlessly? For that we will have to integrate Facebook lead ads with WhatsApp, and for that we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now what we are going to do, we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger, and in action we can take any application through which we want to send a template message such as Interact or AI Sensi. And now we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that new lead. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically send WhatsApp message to our new Facebook leads for a recruitment agency. So in order to send the WhatsApp template message, I am going to use Interact, which is an amazing application and it has official API of WhatsApp. Okay, so in order to create this automation, we will have to integrate Facebook lead ads and Interact. And for that, I am going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So this is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach simply by typing pabbly.com/connect this URL in our browser. And once we will reach on this homepage, we can find two options here, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account, and it will take only 2 minutes. Also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. And if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in. So here, because I'm an existing user, I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all app section of Pabbly where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Now to create this workflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it will take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here on this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can even create multiple folders in order to save our workflows. Okay. So as you can find that I have two folders here. In this test integration folder, I have saved a lot of workflows, and in the same manner, you can create multiple folders as you want in order to save your workflows. Okay. Now in order to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's click on it, and here a dialog boxes appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us give a name to this workflow. So I have given the name as send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads. So I have given just a random name according to the motive of our workflow. You can give any name to your workflows according to your choice. Now after giving the name, you can also select the folder in which you want to save your workflow. From the drop down, I have selected test integrations because I want to save this workflow in this particular folder. Okay. Now after this, let's click on create. And we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the basic concepts or the basic principles on which the entire workflow of this automation runs. Here we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Now let's suppose here in this workflow, we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Interact in our action. And we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a new WhatsApp message should be sent to that particular lead. Okay, now let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we will select our trigger application as Facebook lead ads. And now we will select the trigger event. So the trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger. Okay, so here our trigger event will be new lead instant, as we want that whenever a new lead will be generated, this workflow should triggers and the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's select the event, and now we have to click on connect. Now from the given options, I am going to select add new connection as I want to create a new connection with Facebook lead ads. But if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Okay, so after clicking on add new connection, we have to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Let's select it. And since I was already logged into my Facebook account, the authorization has become successful very easily. Okay, so you also have to keep in mind always to keep logging to your Facebook account before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect, as it makes the connection simple and easier. Okay. Now let's move on. Now here we have to select our Facebook page and the lead gen form associated with it. To understand that, let me first take you to my Facebook account, and here after coming on this account, we can find that I have multiple pages over here. Among these pages, I have Impetus recruitment page for my recruitment agency. So I have created this page for my recruitment agency, and I'm also running an ad campaign on this page. And I want to promote this page with the help of a lead gen form. Okay, and I want that whenever a new lead will be generated through that lead gen form, automatically the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect so that I can nurture that lead further. Okay, so here we have to select the page, which is already selected as we can find, and also the lead gen form. So here from the drop down, I want to select this particular form named as contact form, as I want that whenever a new lead will be generated through this contact form, the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, now after selecting page and lead gen form, let's click on save and send test request. And we can find that as we have clicked on save and send test request, it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to do a test submission so that the response could be captured over here. So how we are going to do that? In order to do the test submission with this lead gen form, let me first take you to Meta for Developers. After coming on Meta for Developers, we can find the option of My Apps. And here after coming on My Apps, we have to go on Tools from the top. And this will take us towards developer tools. So after coming on developer tools, under other developer tools, we can find the option of lead ads RTU debug tool. Let's select it. And it is going to take us towards lead ads testing tool. So this lead ads testing tool is going to help us in order to do the test submission, in order to test our integration. Okay, so here after coming on lead ads testing tool, we have to select our page and the form associated with it. And as soon as we will fill out that form, automatically the test response is going to be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so basically in order to test our integration, we can take the help of lead ads testing tool. Okay, now here my page is already selected as Impetus recruitment. Now I am going to select the form, and we can find that it is also selected. Okay, so after selecting the page and the form, let's click on preview form. So this is the form which I have created, Impetus recruitment, and this is the contact form. So whenever a lead is going to fill out this form and submit it, automatically the response is going to be captured in Pabbly Connect. So this is the contact form through which we can contact our leads. Okay, now here I'm going to fill all these details one by one so that I can fill the form and can do a test submission. Okay, so first of all, let us select the age. And here from the drop down, I'm going to select the age group, let's say 18 to 25. Now the next is email. So I'm going to enter a random email here. Let's say smartlead34@pablitudes.com. The next is full name. So I'm going to enter a full name also as smartlead. Okay. City, let's say Bhopal. Job title, I'm going to enter, let's say as finance manager. Gender, a random phone number, and done. Okay, so we have entered all the fields, and now let's click on next. We will submit the form, and here our form is submitted. Now let's go back on Pabbly Connect, and here we can find that we have received the response. So as soon as our form is filled, we have received the response here in Pabbly Connect. We have received all the details of the lead: age, email, full name, city, job title, gender, and the phone number. Now what we are going to do by using this response, we are going to send a WhatsApp message to this particular lead, and that too automatic. And I want to send a template message to each and every lead in the customized format, and for that I'm going to use interact. Okay, so in the action application, I'm going to select interact. You can even select any other application through which you want to send template messages, such as AI Sensei or Cloud API. Okay, let's select interact. And now in the action event, we will select send WhatsApp template message. Click on connect. And from the given options, I'm going to select add new connection. And as we have clicked on add new connection, we have to enter a secret key. Now from where we are going to find the secret key? For that, we have to go on the settings sections in our interact account, and under developer settings, we will find the secret key. We can also go there with the help of this hyperlink. Let's click on it. And it has directly taken me towards developer settings page. Okay, and under this we can find that our secret key is given over here. Let's just copy it, and we will simply paste it here in Pabbly Connect. Done. Click on save. And very easily our Interact account is also connected with Pabbly Connect. Now let's move on, and we have to enter the details so that we can send the WhatsApp message. Okay, now here's first of all it is asking us for the country code and the phone number. So if in the response you have not received the phone number along with the country code, then you have to enter the country code manually here in this field, and then you have to map the phone number. But in case if you have received the phone number along with the country code in your response, then you can use this full phone number field. Okay, so you have to use either of the fields. Let's check whether we have received the response along with the country code. And yes, we can find the phone number is along with the country code. Okay, so I am going to simply use full phone number field in order to map the number. And here this is the number, I have selected it and it is mapped. Now mapping is very easy step. We just have to use our previous response in order to map the data. Why is it important? Because we want that every time a new response will be captured through Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, automatically these fields in which we are mapping the data should be replaced along with the new response. Okay, but if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change with every new response. Then the workflow will get stuck and we will not be able to automate entire process. Okay, so whenever this workflow will run in real time, we want that everything should be automated and we do not have to do anything manually. Therefore, we use mapping. Okay, now after entering the full phone number, let's move on, and the next is template code name. So in order to understand that, let me again take you to Interact. And here after coming on Interact, we have to go on the template section from the left side. When we will come on templates, we have to go on active, and these are all the active templates which I have. Okay, now I am going to use this impetus recruitment template which I have recently created for my recruitment agency in order to send the WhatsApp message. Let me show you. And this is the preview of the message which is going to be sent to each and every lead. It has variables so that the details could be customized according to every new response, and in the same manner you can add as much variables you want by clicking on this add variable button. Okay, so wherever you want a variable, you just have to click and a variable will be applied there. And here this is the body of my message. It contains hello. In the place of first variable, the name of the person is going to come. We hope this message finds you well. We have received your response and we are glad to connect with you. Your details are name, email, contact, job title. We are soon going to connect with you. Thank you, Team Impetus. So in the place of all these variables, the details of the leads are going to come. Okay, so in this manner we can customize this template message according to each and every response automatically. Okay, now I have selected the language of this template as English, the category as marketing, and in the header I have kept none. You can even select text, image, video, document if you want to add any. Now the next is footer, so you can even add a footer line if you want to send it with your message. The next is button, so you can even attach a call to action button or a quick reply button along with this message, but I have just kept it basic in order to show you. Okay, after creating your template, you have to send it for approval, and once it will get approved, you can use it very easily in order to send template message. So here we can find that my template impetus recruitments is approved, and now we can use it in order to send the messages. Okay, so by clicking on this create new button, you can create your own new template, and here we have to enter the template code name. So I will again go on impetus recruitment, and after coming on our template, we have to go on the URL given on top. In this URL, we can find that the name of our template is given. So impetus recruitment, this is the code of my template. Okay, code name. Let's just copy it and we will paste it in template code name field. Done. In the same manner, you have to find the template code name of your template by going on the URL of the template. Okay, and the next is language code. So because I have used English language for this template, it is written that if you have used English language, then the code is this. So I will simply copy it and I will paste it over here. In case you have used any other language for your template, you can go on this hyperlink and you will find all the codes for different languages. You can simply copy the code and paste it here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, the next is header value. So I have kept the header as none, so I am ignoring this field. If you have added any image, video, document header, then you can definitely add the URL of the same here in this field. Okay, the next is body variables. Now we have to enter the values of the variable which we want to keep in our message. Okay, so we have used multiple variables. Now we have to enter the values for the same. Here in this template message, I have used multiple variables. Therefore, I am going to enter multiple values with the help of comma and space. Okay, so basically I'm going to map the details by using my previous response like this so that it could be changed according to every new lead. Okay, first of all, in the first variable, I want to map the full name. So I have simply mapped it like this. by selecting the data from previous response. And now in order to map another value of body variable, I am going to use a comma and a space. The next is again the name, okay, comma, space, email, contact number, and the job title. Okay, so this is the job title. Done. So we have added all the values for variables. In the same manner, you have to enter the variable values by using comma and space in case you are using multiple variables. Okay, so after entering the variables, let's move on. And if you have attached any call to action button, then you have to use these fields also. Okay, but I have not attached, therefore I'm ignoring these fields for now. Now after entering all the details, we simply have to click on save and send test request button. But before that, because I have used a dummy phone number in order to show you the mapping, now I'm going to enter a real phone number so that a real message could be sent. Okay, now here in the place of a dummy phone number, I am going to enter a real phone number. Done. After entering the number, let's click on save and send test request. And here we have received the response along with all the details, and the message is queued for sending via interact. So because we have received the message ID, that means the message has been sent. Now let's go and check on the WhatsApp whether we have received a message or not. And yes, we can find that we have received a message here. Hello smart lead, we hope this message finds you well. We have received your response and we are glad to connect with you. Your details are name, email, contact, and the job title. So here this is the message, and all the values which we have used in the body variables are given over here. And because we have mapped these details, every time a new response is going to be captured in Pabbly Connect, these details are going to be changed according to that new response, and a customized message will send to every new lead. Okay, so this means that we have successfully built an integration between Facebook lead ads and interact through which we want to send the WhatsApp message. So that means our workflow is successful, and in the same manner you have to follow the steps in order to build an integration between Facebook lead ads and interact or any other application through which you want to send the WhatsApp template message, so that you can send WhatsApp message automatically to your Facebook leads for recruitment agencies. So in this way you can easily connect with your leads which you have received from your recruitment agencies, and then you can nurture your leads further to grow your business and increase your customer base. Okay, so this was the full workflow, and these are the steps which we have to follow in order to create this workflow. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.